Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the new COVERGIRL TruBlend Matte Foundation that will be available in June, but some retailers already have it out in the shelf, so I would go check out your local drugstore to see if it's out already. So the packaging of this foundation is a glass bottle with a plastic cap. The foundation does include a pump, which I know it's a huge thumbs up and a lot of us do appreciate that. The pump also has a lock feature, which is really good for traveling. The launch will have a total of 40 shades. There's 10 shades of each range. It ranges from light, medium, tan, and deep, with 3 undertones in warm, cool, and neutral. COVERGIRL claims that this foundation is a medium to full coverage with a airbrush matte finish, perfect for those warm summer days. The foundation is 1 fluid ounce that will retail from $8.50 to $11.50 depending at what retailer you purchase it from. This foundation has 12-hour wear. It would also minimize your pores, and it has oil control, plus it's transfer resistant. This foundation does not have any SPF in it. So I want to tell you guys about my experience. I have very oily skin with large pores around my nose and on my nose area. I have been testing this foundation out for the past 4 days to give my full review. I also had someone with combination skin but more on the drier side to test it so I could get her feedback and share it with you guys. My experience was very good. I applied my SPF moisturizing primer before applying the foundation. I applied my foundation with the kabuki brush from Morphe, and it was very easy to blend. The foundation was on the lighter side, it wasn't heavy feeling. I applied a total of 2 layers for a fuller coverage application, then set it with the Too Faced Peaches and Cream mattifying setting powder. The weather was in the mid-80s when I tested the foundation. After 4 hours, I noticed a light shine on my face. It looked more dewy than oily. I was very impressed because my go-to foundation is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and by the time I'm getting out of the house, I already have to blot. So I had the foundation for a total of 7 hours, and the foundation looked amazing. Especially for me having very oily skin, I only blotted once. After 7 hours, my skin still looked really good. I also tested the foundation and skipped setting it. I didn't set it to see if it would get oily by skipping this step, and after 5 hours I noticed that it started to get a little dewy but not enough to call it oily. The foundation set itself and it's like it turned into powder after a few minutes of applying it. I definitely recommend this foundation for oily skin on my end. For the review for the combination skin, she also loved it. She had hers for more than 11 hours and only blotted her forehead once. She said the foundation was very comfortable. She applied a moisturizing primer before applying the foundation since she has very dry skin around her nose and her mouth. She says she does recommend this for dry skin, but she would recommend applying a moisturizing primer prior to applying the foundation. So I'm currently a NC40, NC42 in MAC foundations, and my match was M50. And for hers, she's usually NC20 in MAC foundations, and her match was L20. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.